Good morning, students. Now CMST class, HS2ndyr Commerce. So we have done up to integration up to this principle of mathematical induction, and we have done up to question number 3.1. We have done another two sum we will do from this exercise. So exercise here 2.3. This sum is what? The 2 to the power 4n minus 1 is divisible by 4. Sorry, not 4, 15. Students, concentrate on this question. If we concentrate, what we will get? That if we put any integral, any natural values of n, that is n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that like any value, then this value 2 to the power 4 into that natural number minus 1, always we will find that it is divisible by 15. Then proof is how we have to do. Then of course it is by principle of mathematical induction. See here how to write. Let Pn be the statement. What statement? That is, this divisible by 15. That is our statement. Procedure first, what we have to do? We have to check for 1, is it true or not. If we put n is equal to 1, then 2 into 4 into 1 minus 1, this gives 2 to the power 16 minus 1, that is 15, which is divisible by, of course 15. 15 is divisible by 15, so nothing is there. Therefore, P inside bracket 1 is true. That is our first thing we have proved. Let P inside bracket K is true. Meaning is what? That is 2 to the power 4n minus 1 is divisible by 15. We have to replace n by k. That is, pk is true. This implies what? That 2 to the power 4k minus 1 should be 15 into some integer, where a is integer. See the process of writing, process of presentation of your answer. For n is equal to k plus 1. Then you will put 4 inside bracket k plus 1 minus 1. This value, shall I write 15's multiple? That we are going to do. 2 to the power 4k into 2 to the power 4. How? If we remove this bracket, 4k plus 4 it is. So 2 to the power 4 we can isolate, and this. Now 2 to the power 4k we can replace from this one, 15a plus 1. So 2 to the power 4 is 16, and this 2 to the power 4k is 15a plus 1 minus 1. So we can write 15a plus 16 minus 1. That is 16 into 15a plus 15. If we can take 15 common, then it is 16a plus 1. Now students, that is the ultimate target hour. That this can be written, can it be written into 15 into something? Yes, we are able to write, which is divisible by 15. So we have achieved this one. Therefore, P inside bracket k plus 1 is true when P inside bracket k is true. This is our condition. From 1 and 2, by principle of mathematical induction, Pn, that is given statement, is true. So student, that is the answer. That is the way of writing this sum This is really you have to concentrate fully how to present. Now we will do the next type of sum of this exercise. So if we try to do the question number, so we will do now question number 4. 4, it is written that prove that for a principle of for any n belongs small letter n belongs to capital letter n, prove that the following by using principle of mathematical induction 3 to the power n greater than n cube for n greater than equal to 4. How to write this one? So we have to prove that is what 3 to the power n should be greater than n cube for n greater than equal to 4. Let P inside bracket n be the statement. That is, this statement we have given a name, this one. For, remember here we cannot put n is equal to 1. They have given n should be greater than equal to 4. So of course n is equal to 4 we put as first condition. Then 3 to the power 4 is 4 to the power cube, implies 3 to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times, so it is 81. And 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, 4 multiplied 3 times, it is this. Which is true? Definitely. Therefore, P inside bracket 1 is true. That is our condition satisfied. Let P inside bracket k is true. That is, 3 to the power k is greater than k to the power 3. For n is equal to k plus 1, if we take this one, then we have to see what we can write. 3 to the power k plus 1. This is 3 to the power k into 3. Now our target is what? To show k plus 1 to the power 4. Then can it be written is greater than k cube into 3. How? By using this one. That this is greater than k cube, so total thing is this into that. Now we can write this one as we need actually k plus 1 whole thing cube. Now of course we can replace this one as k plus 1 whole thing cube means that is k plus 1 whole thing cube is k cube plus 3k square plus thrice k plus 1. Now shall I write this k cube as this forms, that is we can, this term is it greater than k cube plus 3k square plus thrice k plus 1. Definitely this is and that this term is greater than this one because our n is greater than 4. So which is what? This implies 3 to the power k plus 1 is greater than this one, we will write k plus 1 whole cube. Therefore, P inside bracket k plus 1 is, it is also true when, yes, of course we base this one when P inside bracket k is true. So if we consider 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 by principle of mathematical induction, P inside bracket n is true. That is given statement what we have chosen, this should be greater than this one. So students, we have done up to this much, and main thing that first you have to learn what is principle of mathematical induction, then you will proceed this sum. Sum proceed is also don't think so simple. You have to look the procedure of solving this type of sum. and try to do one or two sum we have left, that also you do. Concentrate on your study at home, and another thing, give your attendance in your comment box. That was for today.